स्पोर्ट्स खेलना पसंद है? कमेंट एंड टेल मी योर फेवरेट स्पोर्ट। मेरा तो है बैडमिंटन। लेकिन आपको एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज बताऊं, रूबिक्स क्यूब जो एक पजल है, जो एक टॉय है, कैन हेल्प यू गेट बेटर इन स्पोर्ट्स। ओ या इन एनी स्पोर्ट एक्चुअली, चाहे वो जिम्नास्टिक्स हो, क्रिकेट हो, फुटबॉल हो, बास्केटबॉल हो, हॉकी हो, चेस हो, बैडमिंटन हो, टेनिस हो या कोई भी स्पोर्ट हो। लेकिन कैसे? कम ऑन, लेट्स लर्न अबाउट इट। Firstly is focus. Rubik's cube helps building in focus and concentration, which is very important in sports क्योंकि अगर आप focus रहोगे अपने sport पे, so you'll always keep improving in it and you will also get better results. Secondly is develops mental toughness. Being mentally strong and being mentally tough and being able to think positively and never giving up is always very important in any sport क्योंकि sports में जो है ups and downs और wins और losses होते रहते हैं. But how does the Rubik's Cube help in developing mental toughness? It is because it requires perseverance and determination, and also it requires to think logically and strategically जो कुछ traits हैं to be able to develop mental toughness. Thirdly is patience and persistence. Just like the Rubik's Cube takes time to solve, like that, it also takes time to master at a particular sport and to win in that sport. Patience and persistence are really required in sports क्योंकि वो जो है आपको help करते हैं to continue working towards your goals and to never give up and to not get discouraged when things don't go as planned. इतना ही नहीं, लेकिन अगर आप पेशेंट और परसिस्टेंट मतलब डेडिकेटेड रहते हो तो यू विल ऑल्सो सी बेटर परफॉर्मेंस एंड सक्सेस इन दैट पर्टिकुलर स्पोर्ट. फोर्थली, enhancing spatial awareness. अब spatial awareness क्या होता है? Let's break these two words into half. Spatial मतलब occupying some space by an object or a living thing. And awareness is of course knowledge and consciousness. अब जब हम दोनों words को जोड़ देते हैं, which makes spatial awareness in sports means being aware of your position and posture and keeping your body alive and healthy to perform movement and flexibility. अब आप सोच रहे होंगे कि स्पोर्ट्स में क्यों इंपॉर्टेंट है? It's because if you are spatial aware, then it will help you in speed, it'll also help you get more flexible and will also help you in fast and easy movement during sports. Now अब Rubik's Cube आपको spatial awareness में कैसे मदद करता है? It helps you to visualize and imagine things and also it requires focus and attention जो automatically आपके अंदर spatial awareness को enhance करता है. And lastly, the fifth point is improve your thinking skills. Rubik's Cube helps you to improve your thinking skills, being able to think strategically and nicely and also being able to think positively जो आपको help करता है to think strategically and take good decisions during sports. Thanks for watching and don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to my channel for more such videos and share this video with many of your friends, especially जिनको sports बहुत पसंद है. और अगर आपको Rubik's Cube solve करना learn करना है and be able to get better at any sport you're in, then click on the link given in the description box below and be a part of my 3x3 Rubik's Cube online course now.